Hello, my friends. Welcome to the English Unlocked podcast. Can you understand English, but speaking is hard for you? This is a very common problem. Many people who are learning English have this issue. It is not a big problem. You are not alone. This podcast is for you. Today, we talk about this problem in a simple way. Why can we understand a movie or a song, but we can't speak? The reason is simple. Your brain is a muscle. You use one muscle for listening. You use a different muscle for speaking. You need to train both muscles. And how can we do this? We can fix this problem with simple exercises. I will teach you 7 important tips. Tip 1. The shadowing technique. The first tip is a special technique. It is called shadowing. Shadowing means to shadow a voice. Think of a shadow. A shadow follows you everywhere. This technique is similar. You listen to an audio file. It can be a podcast like this one. It can be a short audio story. You listen to the voice, and you speak at the same time as the voice. You try to copy the sound. You try to copy the rhythm. You try to copy the intonation. You can listen and repeat at the same time. You can do this with your favorite song. You can do this with a part of a movie. This is a very powerful exercise. It helps you to speak faster. It helps you to speak with a better rhythm. It helps you to sound like a native person. Try it for 5 minutes every day. Tip 2. Using artificial intelligence, AI. The second tip is to use technology. You can talk with artificial intelligence, or AI. AI tools like ChatGPT or Pi are great speaking partners. You can open a chat with them. You say to the AI, "Hello, I want to practice English." The AI will reply to you. It will say, "Hello, how can I help you?" You can talk about anything. You can talk about your day. You can talk about your favorite food. You can talk about your hobbies. The AI talks with you. It understands you. It replies to you. This is a good friend for practice. It is always available. It is never tired. It never judges you. This is a safe space to make mistakes and to learn. Tip 3. The 4-3-2 Fluency Method. The third tip is a fun method. It is called the 4-3-2 Fluency Method. First, you choose one simple topic. For example, my family, or my job, or my favorite city. You speak about this topic for 4 minutes. Don't stop. Just keep talking. The goal is to speak for 4 minutes. Then, you speak about the same topic again, but this time for only 3 minutes. You will see that you are faster. You use fewer pauses. You are more confident. Then, you speak about the same topic one more time. This time for only 2 minutes. You will speak very fast now. You will feel more fluent. This helps you to become more confident and more fluent. Tip 4. Talk to yourself. The fourth tip is simple and a little strange, but it is very useful. You can talk to yourself in English. When you are at home, you can describe what you are doing. For example, you are in the kitchen. You can say, "I am drinking coffee now. I am preparing my breakfast." You are walking in the street. You can say, "I see a big tree. I see a red car." This helps your brain to think in English. It helps you to build sentences automatically. It trains your brain to connect English words to real actions. Tip 5. Focus on simple else sentences. The fifth tip is about what you say. Don't try to make long and difficult sentences. Focus on simple sentences. For example, instead of saying, "The weather is very beautiful today and I feel happy," you can say, "The weather is nice. I am happy." Simple sentences are easier to say. They are easier to understand. They help you to speak with confidence. Tip 6. Learn new words by topic. The sixth tip is about vocabulary. Do not learn random words. Learn new words by a topic. For example, if you want to talk about food, learn words like apple, banana, bread, water, eat, drink. This helps you to use the words in real conversation. You can build sentences about a topic easily. Tip 7. The Speak for 1 Minute Challenge. The last tip is a simple challenge. Every day, pick a new topic and speak about it for 1 minute. Don't worry about mistakes, just talk. It can be about anything. Your favorite movie, your family, your weekend. Record yourself with your phone. Then listen to your voice. This helps you to find your weak points and to see your progress. These were a few tips. The goal of this podcast is to help you. I speak slowly. I use simple words. You can listen to me. You can repeat after me. You can practice with me every day. With daily practice, you can speak English. You can speak with confidence. And you will unlock your English. Okay. Until the next episode. Goodbye.